Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by getting credentials in order. You need your Apple ID and an app-specific password from Applid. Apple. Calm because standard passwords won't work. You should enable two-factor authentication so Apple allows third-party access. Once done, note the AMAP server AMAP. Mail. Me. Calm and SMTP. Mail. Me. Calm plus ports. This lets your Android Mail app talk to iCloud securely. You're now ready to create a new account in your Android Mail client and input these details directly. Open your Android Mail app and choose to add a new email account. Select AMAP, not POP, because AMAP syncs folders and statuses. Enter your full Apple ID as the username and paste the app-specific password you generated. Then set incoming to AMAP with port 993 and SSL. Next, configure SMTP on port 587 with TLS for outgoing mail so messages send reliably. Make sure folder mappings, sent, trash, drafts are linked to server folders for consistent syncing across devices. After setup, sync folders and wait for mail to populate. Adjust sync frequency to balance battery and timeliness. Send a test message to confirm SMTP works and check that sent mail appears on iCloud and your other devices. If messages aren't syncing, make sure folder subscriptions are enabled and that you use the app-specific password. If issues persist, regenerate the app password, re-enter it, and restart the app. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable any VPN or strict firewall on Android while testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.